Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You'll begin by making sure you can create items on the desktop and you know the target application's path. Once you have admin rights and the exe or file path, right-click an empty desktop area and choose New, then Shortcut so you can start a shortcut wizard. Keep the path handy. If it's in Program Files, use Browse to avoid typos. Once done, you'll enter the path and move straight into naming the shortcut for clarity. Now you configure how the shortcut behaves and looks. After naming it, right-click and open Properties to set the start and folder, or add command line arguments if the app requires them. This ensures it launches correctly. If compatibility or admin privileges are needed, use the Compatibility tab to enable them. Also change the icon to a recognizable image so you visually find it faster. Make sure to apply changes. Finish by testing the shortcut. Double-click and confirm the app opens as expected. Once confirmed, you can pin it to Start or the taskbar for one-click access, or move it into a folder for organization. If it fails, check the file path, adjust permissions, and confirm required dependencies exist. Often a wrong path or missing DLL prevents launch. As a quick fix, recreate the shortcut using Browse so typos aren't introduced and retest until it reliably opens.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.